Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to start new lesson number 4, enlivening a presentation. Till now we have seen what is MS PowerPoint. We know that PowerPoint is a presentation software where we can prepare beautiful presentations. What is a presentation? Presentation is nothing but collection of different slides. We can compare it with the book. Okay, a book is a collection of different pages, isn't it? So a presentation is just like a book, and a slide is just like a page of the book where some information is written. Okay, so we can add graphics, we can add video, we can add picture, we can add table on any slide, and we can give different animation effects so that it should impact on the audience. How to do that? Let us see that. A slideshow is an on-screen presentation of information or ideas presented on slides. It enforces the ideas, comments, solutions, or suggestions presented in the slide. Adding special effects to a presentation increases its impact on the audience. Okay, it increases the impact on the audience. Whatever the things we want to show, whatever the things we want to express, that very effectively we can do that using this slideshow. PowerPoint lets you to animate text, add graphics, sounds, movies, charts, and other objects on your slide so that you can enhance the quality of the presentation by highlighting important points. Okay, now how to do that? Children, we know that we can add any object, image, photograph, we can say tables on a slide, and to that only whatever the thing we have added, if we want to give animation effect, that we can give. How to do that? Let us see. Open a presentation containing text and object. Select animation tab and click on custom animation option in animations group. See, whatever, suppose I have entered a table, or I have entered a you can say any photograph, any picture on the slide, then we have to select that slide. Okay, first of all select that slide and click on the animation tab. We are going to click on animation tab. In that you can find custom animation option. Okay, we have to click on that. What is first step, children? First of all, select that object to which we want to give animation effect. Click on the animation tab. On the ribbon, it is present on the ribbon, and in that we are going to select custom animation. The custom animation task pane appears on the screen. Select any object and click on add effect button. A list box will appear with 4 options: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Okay, see children, whatever the object we want to give animation, you can select that, click on animation. After clicking on that, click on custom animation. Once we click on custom animation, one dialog box will appear on that. Okay, one window will appear on your screen. Over there you can find add effects button. Once you click on that add effects button, you can find 4 options in that: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion. Entrance means when that object is going to appear on your screen, whatever the animation you want to give, click on that entrance. Emphasis means when that object is on the screen, how it should appear, that in emphasis we can do. Exit means when that object is moving from the screen, that time whatever the animation effects you want to give, that we can give in exit. And motion path is suppose you want to move that object from one location to second, third, fourth. If you want to give such animation, then we can define it, then we can give it in the motion path. These are the 4 options. Okay, move the mouse pointer on any option, it will display more options. Select any option and notice the preview on main working slide. Choose the desired option under modify section and observe the preview. See, Different animation effects are available over there in animation, custom animation. Go through it one by one and see how it looks, and select the one which is appropriate, which is required for your animation. Okay, and we can click on that. Once we click on that, that animation will get applied to your object. To understand it effectively, children, watch the YouTube videos which I am sending, which will help you to understand it practically how to do it. Okay, children, so this is how we can give the animation effect to the object which we are inserting in a slide. Okay, 4 we have seen: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion. Okay, children.